welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today my son Raylan and I are going to be making 2-ingredient edible Play-Doh. So we got going with our powdered sugar and our frosting into a bowl. And then next we picked out some colors, so he picked out yellow and green and added that in there just to add some more color, just to make it a little bit more fun. And then we got to whisking it with our electric whisk, and it was not doing its job right now. So I went and added a tablespoon of milk to help get everything combining, and that definitely worked, but I would add way less next time, probably only a teaspoon, because it was still pretty sticky. So I got some powdered sugar and my Play-Doh out of the bowl, and I put that on the counter, and I put some more powdered sugar on top and kind of kneaded it like it's pizza, just to incorporate more of the powdered sugar into it to get it to be less sticky, because it's at the point in the where it said in the recipe that it's not sticking to my hands so much, but I could tell that it was going to start sticking to my counter, and 80 Play-Doh playing stuff that my son had, like cookie cutters and things like that, it was just going to be a sticky mess. So I added as much sugar as I could and then popped it in my fridge for an hour to see if that made a difference. And then after that, Raylan and I played around with it to see if it was still going to be super sticky, and it was still pretty sticky even when it was cold, but he just kept adding powdered sugar and he had a blast with this. He rated this an 11 out of 10. Play-Doh's going good?
Yeah.
You want? It's not ice cream, Remy, it's Play-Doh. Say Play-Doh.
No.
No? Okay.